Can you imagine running at night while everyone else is asleep? No noise, no distractions, just you and the path lit by the stars. Did you know that running at night can not only improve your performance, but also completely transform the way you enjoy running? But be careful, it's not as simple as it seems. There are hidden risks you might be ignoring and secrets no one has told you. Do you want to discover how to make the night your best training ally? Then stay tuned, because what's coming will surprise you. When we talk about running at night, many people only think about the timing, but there are benefits that can transform your training and that you probably didn't know about. Here are the key points. More consistent pacing thanks to the tranquility of the night. At night, the world calms down. You don't have to dodge crowds, bikes, or cars, which allows you to maintain a steadier pace. This lack of distractions can help you focus completely on your run, improving your consistency and control. Lower risk of dehydration in warm climates. If you live in areas where temperatures tend to be high, running at night is a relief. The sun isn't there to drain you, and your body stays cooler, reducing the risk of dehydration. This also makes it more comfortable to perform longer or more intense training sessions. An excellent way to disconnect from daily stress. Picture this: a long, exhausting day ends, and you head out for a run under the city lights or in a quiet park. The sense of freedom and disconnection is unique. Running at night isn't just physical exercise, it's also mental therapy. It helps you release tension and end the day with a sense of accomplishment. You might even sleep better after a night run. It might sound contradictory, but it's true. After running at night, your body enters a state of deep relaxation thanks to the release of endorphins and energy expenditure. Just avoid overly intense runs if you plan to sleep right after, as they might keep you too active. Completely different landscapes and sensations. Running at night changes your perspective. Routes that seem ordinary during the day transform at night. The city lights, shadows, and calm create a special atmosphere that many runners describe as almost magical. Less pressure to compete with others. During the day, especially in popular areas, it's common to feel like other runners are watching your pace or competing with you. At night, that disappears. It's your moment, without comparisons or judgments. Running at night isn't just a scheduled change. It's a different experience, a way of training that combines performance, tranquility, and a unique connection with yourself. Are you ready to try it? Running at night can be magical, but it also comes with risks. The good news is that most of them can be easily avoided if you know how. Here are the most common mistakes, and, most importantly, how to fix them. Low visibility, the silent enemy. At night, the world is darker and full of invisible obstacles. The solution? Wear reflective clothing or items with bright details that make you visible from a distance. Add a headlamp to light your path and detect irregularities in the terrain. This not only protects you but also others, like drivers or cyclists. Uneven terrain. A slip could ruin your run. Potholes, stones, or hidden routes are typical traps when running in the dark. That's why choosing familiar, well-paved routes is key. If you're running in a park or trail, make sure to carry a powerful flashlight that illuminates enough space ahead of you. And, of course, wear shoes with good grip for extra stability. Insecurity. Is it really safe to run here? Running at night can make you feel more exposed. Choose well-lit, busy areas like main avenues or parks with security. Use real-time tracking apps so someone knows where you are at all times. And never forget common sense. If something doesn't feel right, find a safer alternative. Overestimating your abilities. The night deceives. The coolness of the night can make you feel stronger, but it can also lead you to push yourself too hard without realizing it. Plan your workouts and respect your limits. If you're doing an easy run, stick to that pace and avoid unnecessary accelerations that could lead to overloading or injury. Lack of planning. Don't improvise your route. Heading out without a defined route can be a big mistake. Nighttime isn't the best time to explore new or unknown paths. Before heading out, decide your route and make sure it's safe and familiar. If you're running several kilometers, carry some water or ensure there are fountains along the way. Ignoring body signals. fatigue feels different. At night, your body responds differently, and it's easy to ignore signs like fatigue or thirst. Stay alert to what your body is telling you and don't hesitate to reduce the intensity if something doesn't feel right. Running is meant to be enjoyable, not a struggle. Running at night is incredible, but the key is doing it wisely. Preparing well not only helps you avoid risks, but also ensures you enjoy this unique experience to the fullest. If you want to run at night, you can't head out with just anything. The right gear doesn't just make your runs safer, it also makes them much more comfortable. Here's what you absolutely need: reflective clothing or LED lights. This is non-negotiable. Without reflective clothing, you're practically invisible to cars, bikes, and pedestrians. Look for shirts, jackets, or even shoes with reflective details. If you want to go the extra mile, use LED bands on your wrists or ankles. They're affordable, lightweight, and will literally make you shine. Headlamp, light up your path. A good quality headlamp is essential for seeing and being seen. Choose one that's lightweight, rechargeable, and has a good illumination range. If you're running on uneven terrain, this accessory can make the difference between a smooth run and an unnecessary stumble. Shoes with good grip. The terrain at night can be trickier than it seems. Make sure to wear shoes with good cushioning and traction. This will give you more stability and confidence, especially if you're running on trails or less traveled paths. Tracking app or GPS watch. For running at night, a real-time tracking app can be a great ally. Some apps allow your contacts to follow your location live, increasing your safety. Plus, a GPS watch can help you monitor your pace and distance without constantly looking at your phone. Compact hydration. Even if it's not as hot, don't underestimate hydration. Carry a compact bottle or water belt if you're going for long distances. You don't want to interrupt your run looking for where to drink. Running at night without the right gear is like running with your eyes closed. Equip yourself well, and you'll see how your experience improves instantly. Now that you know how to stay safe, it's time to enjoy your nighttime training to the fullest. These tips will make every run unique. Music or podcasts to motivate you. Running at night can be relaxing but also a bit lonely. Bring your favorite songs or that podcast you love, but make sure to keep the volume low to stay aware of your surroundings. If you prefer to disconnect completely, enjoy the sound of the night. Sometimes that's all you need. Light dinner before running. Avoid heavy meals if you're running at night. A light dinner rich in carbohydrates and proteins will give you energy without making you feel heavy. Also, wait at least an hour between eating and running to avoid discomfort. Adapt your training to your goals. Nighttime is ideal for controlled-paced workouts, like easy runs or recovery sessions. But if you're more advanced, you can also take advantage of tempo runs or intervals. Just avoid super intense sessions right before bed. Plan your route ahead of time. Don't improvise. Choosing a known and safe route gives you peace of mind and avoids surprises. If you want variety, explore new routes during the day and then run them at night. Enjoy the nighttime scenery. Running at night has something special. City lights, park tranquility, or the sparkle of stars can transform any route into a magical experience. Take a moment to appreciate it. Running at night isn't just a workout, it's a different experience. With these tips, you'll not only be a safe nighttime runner, but also one who enjoys every step. Running at night can completely transform how you enjoy running. Now it's your turn. Are you ready to try it? Let me know in the comments which of these tips caught your attention, or share your experiences running under the stars. If this video was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any content. Share this video with your running friends, and let's keep lighting up the path together. See you in the next video.